boy, Ultimate Blader in Pokemon here in Hi Poke Club, and our new Pokemon army name is Poke Club, guys. Stay. How is it, guys? Correct my Bluetooth, guys. Wait. Guys, I think I connected. Yeah, I connected to my Bluetooth. Oh, there is Vulpix. What happened to this thingy? Thanks, Vulpix. Yeah, the music is good. Guys, do you want any change of teams or anything like that? If you want, please comment down below. And please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button, guys. That really helps me out. Love you guys for life. The eating army is the best. Mulligan stew a la cube. I don't know what kind of freaking language. Oh, Bellsprout. Okay. If you guys want any of these to the team, please tell me in the comment section down below. Spam the comment section. Redirect to the Pokédex. Can we complete this Pokédex, guys? My dream is to always complete even a single Pokédex. It's over. We got only one freaking Pokemon. Only that's only freaking Bellsprout. Oh my god. You know what? I want some new team members. What is this? Oh, we have 2 Vulpixes. Okay. We are gonna add in the team. Guys, I'm keeping Pidgey and I'm taking Rattata out of Abra. I don't know how in the world I can switch. I don't know, guys. I don't know what in the world to do, guys. I don't know. Can you guys please explain me, like? I don't know, guys, how to do. How to edit the team, bro. Why this game is freaking confusing. I don't know, guys, but why in the hell this game is so confusing? How in the hell we can add this to a team, boys? What should we do, guys? I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I'm in full 8th mad, guys. I don't know. How in the world we will edit this team? Pokemon, why are you so dumb? Oh my god. Guys, let me come back when I know how to edit the team. Guys, I am back and yeah, I knew how to edit the teams. Yeah, that's it. Abracadabra, Alakazam! I want to train a Abra to get Alakazam, guys. I love Alakazam. If you guys don't know, we are gonna keep Pidgey. I want to bring in Vulpix also. Ninetales is also one of my favorite Pokemon to continue. Bellsprout, maybe living in there. I don't know. We have 685. Can we go for expeditions, guys? I don't know. Wait. Once can we go for the base camp, guys? I want to show you guys one thing. You complete the main quest. Would you like to check it out? And my team is 2 long range and 1 close range team, guys. If you guys don't know, Charmander is the only close range, which is kind of bad. I'm thinking, I don't know. I suck at reading stats in Pokemon. I don't know. We have 2 long range and 1 close range. I don't know. Charmander is our only close range member. I'm thinking. Let us check out. Yeah, Charmander is our only close range Pokemon. This is 700. Let's take out Pidgey to Vulpix. Oh my, no, I'm not able to do that. Oh my god, why? I'm not doing that, bro. Oh my god. Sorry guys, so we did just got cut right there. I don't know, can we add Vulpix? With Vulpix we will get 706. Okay, let's keep this one. We will get 700. Abra. I'm thinking, yeah, Bellsprout is our highest level Pokemon. Maybe we can keep Bellsprout, guys. I don't know. And let's go for training. I don't know what will happen in training. By training your Pokemon, you can increase their EXP or change the moves they know. You will need the help of supporting Pokemon to train one of your Pokemon. You'll have to say goodbye to the supporting Pokemon once the training is over. I don't know. I guess I'll keep Charmander. Bye bye Rattata. If I want, I could get more Rattatas. Bye Vulpix. Start training. Okay. It barely even got an XP. I don't know. It's enough, man. It's enough. Yeah, this is our main team. Bye, Abra. You are very low level. I'm thinking Bellsprout is our main person right now. I don't know. I don't know way too much about this Pokemon game, but I showed you some of this stuff, guys. Boss level, oh my god. We are at, I don't know. Items you find on, they didn't even give me time to read it, man. Hey, that's Sludge Bomb, which is great. Sludge Bomb this early in the game, that's interesting for a Pokemon. Did any of our Pokemon die? Oh my god. Please don't. Yeah, we cleared the wave. All our moves are in full PP. Call for help. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is turning into very bad. Sorry guys for that. Zanky gave some new use. I love Zanky guys so much. Zanky, Spider, they all are some great people, guys. Oh my god, the Charmander is way too low HP. Did we have any potions or anything like that? Fire Spin, Sludge Bomb, guys. Yeah, we freaking defeated him. More Pokemon appeared. I hope you can get our PP back. Oh my god, Sludge Bomb, you should only do more. Please guys, Pidgey, do whatever you can. My god, Meowth. This level is the hardest level, oh my god. Charmander is about to die. More Pokemon? Oh my god, how many will be? Sorry Rattata, rest in peace Rattata, I just sent a... Hey, wave cleared. Is there? Oh my god. What are we dealing with, boys? I want our full PP to be healed up. We are surrounded, oh my god. What in the world? Oh my god, Charmander, no way, Charmander, no. No. We need your help, Chari. Chari, please. Oh my god, Raticate has barely got anything. Charmander is defeated. Pidgeotto is almost about to defeat, guys. It's not Pidgeotto, it's Pidgey. Yeah, it's Pidgey. No, it's not Pidgeotto. Oh my god, we have nothing to do. Bellsprout, if we defeat it, I will give you the best Pokemon in all of my thing, man. Oh my god, Pidgey is out. Please, sorry. Oh my god, this is by far the hardest level of this game. Bellsprout is the only strong Pokemon in this one. Level up, level up, level up. Only up to level 6. Oh my god. Whatever. Member services. Next, what we need to do? Profile stat. Congratulations, have your Pokemon up to level 5 can get increased EXP from expeditions. When we defeated that boss Pokemon, a statue that looks like a Pokemon was left behind. What in the world could it be? It's like Rattata. This one of the symbols of the island, the prolific statue. Yeah, boys. The statue is carved in the shape of 3 Rattata, a Pokemon that can flourish wherever it is. Perhaps this statue it means to symbolize such prosperity. It seems you explored everything there is to explore in the area. I'll locate the route to the next area. Oh, there is more. It may take some time to locate. So in the meantime, I searched the database for information regarding the statue and found this would appear to be something revered in a place that called Chamber of Legends. Wait a minute. Others, Regis. Boys, we cannot still go to there. Let's stand by. Route to the new area detected. Nope, we need. In order to protect your important save data, please back it up early. If you install the app or your device, it may be damaged without creating a backup. You won't be able to transfer to your save data. Transferred will be from last backup. Backup. Set. Oh. Let me do it off camera, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm thinking that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. So yeah, guys, bye. Peace out. Love you all for life. Road to 100 subscribers, guys. We are only 10 subscribers away from 100. That's insane.